rounded out game. But what was the difference maker in this game that contributed significantly to winning?
Well, we made a concerted effort to cut down our turnovers because the last game we had 23 and we lead the league in the fewest number of turnovers. It was very uncharacteristic of us. Credit to Magnolia's defense. They're very physical, they're very long and athletic. The players they got, Xavier Lucero and Will Navarro and Jerome Simosa really added to their athleticism. So it forced us to a lot of turnovers, and that was the number one thing that we talked about, our ability to just get good shots. We didn't shoot well today, but at least we were shooting and we were not turning the ball over. But we still had, for me, too many, 18. But at least we cut that down. It was already 12 in the first half. We cut that in half in the second half, and that's what fueled our comeback.
Thank you, Coach. RR, napag-usapan natin kanina how last game you only had 10 attempts. And today, ikaw yung bumuhay talaga sa team mo. Share mo naman sa amin yung nag-iba or yung adjustment when it comes to your mindset and an approach in this game, knowing na backs against the wall na kayo.
First of all, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa panalo. Ano lang talaga, yung mindset ko lang coming to this game is ayaw ko lang magpatalo, ayaw ko magbakasyon. Yun. Tapos, yun nga, binabasa namin yung defense ng Magnolia kasi last time nga, ang dami naming turnover. Siguro yun yung turning point.
We now open the floor to questions from the media.
Coach, ang second quarter, may na technical cup and you take the chair. At that point, Coach, pwede kayong kurap ba wala na yung composure nyo but you guys slowly nakahabol kayo?
Sometimes you have to do those things to fire up not only the players but to really let the officials also know how displeased we were with several non-calls. But I've been around long enough to know not to lose my composure. Sa tagal ko ba naman dito, nagkakahig na ako dito sa PBA. I know that I can have outbursts of emotion like that, but what I've learned over the years is to coach through that and to make sure that my thinking and my thought process is still very clear. So I just wanted to really make a point at that moment in the second quarter.
What was BJ's performance in the fourth quarter made up for his suspension in his absence last game?
Yeah, certainly we really felt his absence the last game because Xavier Lucero really killed us. And at least we had somebody to match up with him. Not one person can stop Xavier. He's a very, very talented player. But at least, maski konti, ma-match up man siya. Instead of, Glenn, who's 3 inches shorter, 3 or 4 inches shorter than he is. So, we told Brandon just to make sure to be a presence and whatever we get out of him offensively, that's a big bonus. He hit that big 3-point shot together with Kelly. And in the end, that's what the Magnolia defense is giving us. They're really defending Roger, Calvin, and Jordan very well. And so it's just up to the others to step up and make plays.
Coach, yung first do or die game today, yung Grand Slam kasi yung national ng iba. Was that definitely, I'm sure it's not on your mind, but yun lang masabi nyo na yung Grand Slam bid nyo was kumbaga teetering?
It was, for me, first of all, it's really not in our minds. But, my attitude is, these guys have done so much already this year. If the Grand Slam it's not for us, it's not for us. But no one is going to take away what we have achieved already this year, this season. Having said that, we had a long talk, and Roger can attest to this, before practice the other day, to ask them really how much they want. If this is something they really, really want, because it's going to be really, really, really hard. So, yun lang. Ang inisip lang namin is that we are coming back and we're playing on Saturday. Going to this ball game. We set our practice schedule tomorrow and Friday. because we were hell-bent on playing on Saturday.
What was the response of the players? Sabi mo,
Ano mo sa kanila? Nasermonan silang katakot-takot. Anong response nila?
tanong ni coach na kung gusto niyo talaga yun.
Yun, palagi naman yung pag nagalit na si coach, pag nagtatanong na yung kung anong gusto namin, talagang the next game, parang added the fuel, talagang lahat gusto mo pakamatay. Talagang ganun palagi pag nagagalit. Kasi minsan kasi pinapabayaan kami, nagre-relax. Pag magalit na si coach, talagang magigising ka.
Coach, would you enjoy another heart-to-heart talk come before the Saturday game?
Yeah, but I think for us now, the most important thing is our recovery. We have to recover. We have to do a good job resting the bodies. Brian Heruela's injury is another big blow for us. But we gotta get Simon Enciso being a contributor, and that's been the story of our team all season long. Next man up, palagi na kami next man up.
Coach, were you surprised with that 4-point shot by Cody?
No, not at all. Nung binicall, yes, I was sure. Tumatawag na ako. Hindi pa sure, tumatawag na ako ng timeout. Because the screeners man, medyo na-late ng konti kasi layo. So I think that was Kelly. Hindi niya kalaing ipupukol. Ako, alam ko na. Pag bitaw pa lang, tumatawag na ako ng timeout. I'm not surprised at all.
Mas na-surprise ka pa dun sa 3 points ni VG at ni Kelly.
Ano mong ganyan na? Kasi naman klaseng comment yan. Question lang, hindi ma-question yun eh. Okay.
Coach Jason was there, parang lucky Charlie yata siya every time.
More than that, he really gives a lot of very crucial inputs during the huddle, during the timeout, the halftime break. Sabi ko, Jason, ikaw na nga mag-coach. Kasi he really sees the game very well. So I think these guys benefit a lot from the little tips. He doesn't talk in big terms and in abstractions. He's very concrete. So, ito ginagawa niya, ito yung opening, ito yung gano'n. Di ba? Ganun talaga. So it's very direct. So, laking bagay.
So we expect him to be there on Sunday.
He better be. For sure.
Coach, for the knockout game, definitely wala na yung mga numbers. About desire na lang, no? So
well, dito pa lang, entering the fourth quarter, yun ang sinabi ko naman. I mean, I just said, ano na to? We got it to within, 3 points at the end of the third. So I said, this is just going to be a game of attrition. Sino na lang ang hindi bibitaw? So sabi ko, we talked a little bit about our defensive coverage, but in the end, it was just that, patagalan na lang, patigasan talaga. So it was just a game of attrition.
And that concludes our post-game press conference. Thank